World Wide Web WWW. In this video, we are going to see about World Wide Web WWW. Introduction to World Wide Web, that is WWW. World Wide Web, abbreviated as WWW or W3, commonly known as the web, is a system of interlinked documents that are accessed via the internet. The term internet and WWW are often used in everyday speech without much distinction. In 1989, a small group of people led by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN, that is Conseil Européen pour la Recherche Nucléaire, or the European Laboratory for Particle Physics, proposed a new protocol for the Internet as well as a system of document access to use it. The intent of this new system, which the group named the World Wide Web, was to allow scientists around the world to use the Internet to exchange documents describing their work. Web or Internet. It is important to understand that the Internet and the World Wide Web are not the same thing. The Internet is a collection of computers and other devices connected by an equipment that allows them to communicate with each other. The web is a collection of software and protocols that has been installed on most, if not all, of the computers on the Internet. The Internet was quite useful before the web was developed, and it is still useful without it. Web is a collection of interconnected documents and other resources linked by hyperlinks and URLs. Thus, in short, the web is an application running on the Internet. Viewing a web page begins either by typing the URL of the page into a web browser or by following hyperlinks to that page. World Wide Web WWW. With a web browser, one can view web pages that may contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia and navigate between them via hyperlinks. Provide a graphical interface. Allow you to create links from one piece of information to another. Can incorporate references to text, graphics, sound, and movies or multimedia. The World Wide Web is non-linear with no header and footer. The meaning of non-linear is users do not have to follow a hierarchical path to information resources. The web is based on a client-server system. We use a web client to communicate with a web server. A web server is a computer connected to the Internet that runs a program which is also called web server that takes responsibility for sorting, retrieving, and distributing some of the web files. A web client or web browser is a computer that requests files from the web. An URL specifies the protocol to be used in accessing the resource, the name of the server on which the resource resides, and optionally the path to a resource. For example, http://www.nielit.in. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the standard protocol that allows web clients and servers to communicate. This protocol is used to carry requests from a browser to a web server and to transport pages from the web server back to the requesting browser. The hypertext markup language is the universal language of the web. It is used for writing pages for the web. HTML allows text to include codes that define fonts, layout, embedded graphics, and hypertext links. HTML can be compared to word processing. User can tune into web radio and TV broadcasts and listen to live broadcasts or call up older ones from the archives.